It's a magnet. You can get a fish. You want to try?
Okay. I got a blue one because I like a green and a blue one.
Okay.
Let me put my point. Got a green one now.
You caught a fish. You want to get another one?
That was pig.
You use a magnet. There you go. Pull it through. Just like that.
Oopsie.
You pulled it too far.
I need to put this because
Okay.
this is going to be carrot.
Oh, is that your cutting board? What about this carrot?
Yeah. This is my cutting board.
Okay.
Because this is where I cut here. Because I cut here.
Very good.
Now, what else? Also, we
It has
cut
Velcro.
this. Do we need to cut this?
That one doesn't cut. That one goes on the string. These ones you can string together, the different fruits. You want to do more cutting?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me put together. Here we've got a corn. You can cut that. You can cut a mushroom or a pepper.
This is my
Very good. And this piece just goes right on the top. And then you can fit these little fish in here to go fishing. These ones right here. And then the vegetables, the ones we just cut, can also fit here on the top. Like that. And then you want to put this carrot in.
Yeah.
And it sticks up. And then this fits on the side. So you got to look around and see where it looks like the banana should fit. It'll fit in one of those holes. Oh, I think it's on this side. Here you go. Which hole does that fit in?
This one.
Yeah, turn it around, fit it in. You did it. And then find your fishing rod.
This is my pointer.
Okay.
I picked blue and green.
Okay, so you gotta eat it. You caught a fish.
I got a blue one.
Very cool. What other ones are you gonna catch?
Now, I do like pink too.
Okay. And then to clean up, everything just fits right inside. We put all the stuff back in the little baggies that came in just to keep it from getting lost. Okay.
I do like this.
Okay. And then just put the little fish away, and then this just fits right on top. So you can just very easily put this all together and put it away.